Ink.
No.
Paper.
What's on?
Is it paper? Is it paper?
All right, Ben. You ready?
Wait, what? Is that the line? Isn't it how you feel?
How do you feel?
Are you ready? I feel warm.
All right, Ben. You ready? No.
I feel warm.
Dang it!
Awesome. Bring on the nature. I'm so
I can't laugh. Reintroduction. I did it wrong, but whatever. Oh my God, there's a kite.
What?
Over there, in the tree. Imagine spending your whole life inside, cooped up. Is it coming?
Yeah, okay.
So, after I oh my God. Yeah. At this point, I think it's stressful. Okay. No. This way.
No thanks. I think I'll just keep on living in here, away from nature. Away from nature, drinking my water. Sorry.
All right, Ben. How do you feel? What do you think? Oh, it's a bird. Hello. Bye. Ben? Ben!
That? Is that nature?
No. That's...
Is that nature? Is that nature?
No. No. That's a wall. Damn it. I was so close. He has never been outside before taking him outside.
No!
So funny. Before taking him outside. No, no, you're...
No way, I don't think so. I'm okay just staying right here with...
Even that water you're drinking is technically nature.